multitasking is maybe true, but multi-involvement is myth. So when I was in second year of my college, we were like getting a revenue of 30 lakhs in a month.
ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତିନିଟା ଇନିशियल ବିଜନେସେସ୍ ବିଫୋର ଦହିବରା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ ଫେଲ୍ ହେଇଛି. ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଆର୍ ଦ 3 ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଫେଲିୟରରୁ ଶିଖିଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲ୍ପ କଲା ଟୁ ବିଲ୍ଡ ଦହିବରା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ ଆଜ୍ ଏ ବିଗର ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ?
My first company, as I told you, Trek sells for you jar naatila jota ame third party management vela kaam kortlu. From Trek sells for you failure, what I learn is you always need a proper financial plan. Secondly, I went back during Corona. Seଠି ଗୋଟେ restaurant ଥିଲା ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼ରେ ଆମର. ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ cake factory start କରିଥିଲି. I always wanted to work with a company like private limited ही ହେଇଥିଲା.
What is the learning from?
The learning was that documentation is also important. Even if you are doing it with your mother.
What was the third business?
I learned very important thing. मते जहाँ लगे कि मोर life रो सबुठु best ଆଉ important learning थिला. Multitasking is maybe true, but multi involvement is myth.